Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to order a Tesla Cybertruck. First, navigate to the official Tesla website and locate the Cybertruck section. You'll then choose your desired configuration, including options like the all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive models. A fully refundable deposit of $250 is needed to place your reservation, which secures your spot in the production queue. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you closer to owning this unique vehicle. After placing your reservation, you'll have the opportunity to customize your Cybertruck further. Explore various upgrades, including the advanced full self-driving capability, which enhances your driving experience. You can also add practical accessories like the base camp tent for outdoor adventures or a Tesla wall connector for convenient home charging. Take your time to review all your selections to ensure they perfectly match your needs and preferences. As your Cybertruck approaches production, Tesla will contact you to finalize your order details. This is when you'll arrange your payment, whether through financing, a lease, or a full cash payment. Ensure all your financial arrangements are in order to avoid any delays. You'll then be able to schedule your delivery appointment, choosing between picking up your Cybertruck at a Tesla delivery center or having it delivered directly to your home. Upon delivery, take a moment to thoroughly inspect your new Cybertruck, ensuring everything is exactly as you ordered. Check for any cosmetic issues or missing features before accepting the vehicle. You'll then complete the final paperwork, including signing the purchase agreement and any registration documents. Once everything is finalized, your Cybertruck journey officially begins. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your everyday adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.